everyone. I'm Angelica Macari from Section Eva. Today, I'm going to perform the forensic chemistry activity 1 entitled the adulterated urine test. First step, I'm going to include the material needed. First is the bottle. Next is the lab gown. And then the mask, and then the white paint, and also the water, and then the two gloves, and next that detergent, also the bleach, and then the juice, and the medicinal drug, which is the medical, and also the salt, and the last one is that thermometer. Today guys, I'm going to get my urine sample. This is my urine sample, and I'm going to temp my urine sample. So this is the temperature. So 34.9 degrees Celsius. We're going to proceed to adulteration. First, salt. I'm going to mix to my urine sample. Salt. 1 teaspoon only. Done and mix. Urine with salt. And next, urine with medicinal drug.
Magkaansa pa mo? Pwede mo ulaw karyo pag thermometer. Ulaw dire? Inuman na.
Let's open it. That's it. Next, medicinal drug and the urine sample. The medicinal drug. And mix. And next, bleach with my urine sample. Bleach. And next, urine with detergent.
Ay, ang ko.
And next, urine with juice. And lastly, the non-adulterated urine. I'm done labeling each bottle, so I'm going to seal each urine bottle. Non-adulterated urine, color pale yellow. Urine with bleach, color yellowish. Urine with medicinal drug, color pink. Urine with juice, the color is orange. Urine with detergent, the color is cloudy white. Urine with salt, the color is pale white. This is all the urine sample. So, I'm done mixing. I'm going to observe this within 3 days if there are any changes in each adulterated urine sample. That's all, thank you.